Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So guys, today I am going to show you eye makeup, and I have already done my base and it is looking absolutely flawless. So I am going to do green analogous eye makeup. Watch the video till end and let's begin. To prime my eyes, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair and going to apply it on my eyelid. And using the PAC Mini Beauty Sponge, I am going to blend it. And guys, please check the description box. I have mentioned all the product details below. And guys, always apply concealer before applying eyeshadows because it makes your eye makeup long last. Now to set my concealer, I am using Lakme Compact in Natural Marble and going to apply it with this brush, and you can apply any powder whatever you have. So today I am using Beauty Glazed Color Board eyeshadow palette, and I am going to take this very light brown shade as my transition color and going to blend it above my crease. And also applying transition shade helps us to know that till where we have to take the darker shade. Now I am taking this dark sea green shade and I am going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. First I am dabbing it and then I am going to blend it towards the crease. Now taking a bigger blending brush, I am going to blend this color in the crease and the outer corner. And guys, blending is really important. You need to blend the shades really well so that there are no harsh lines visible. I have applied the shade again and going to blend it nicely. Now I am taking this deep green shade and going to apply it in the outer corner of my eyes just above that green shade. And I am applying in the shape of V. And now blending the shade again. And guys, till then you can comment below and tell me if you want to learn few eye makeups using only 2 or 3 eyeshadows. Now I am taking this neon yellow shade and going to apply it above my crease and going to soften it. And guys, eye makeup should be always blended above the crease, so that's why I am using a lighter shade to keep it more softened. Now I am again taking the same yellow shade and going to apply it on the eyelid. And I feel like the shade is not coming so well with the brush, so that's why I am going to apply it with my pinky. After that I am taking this shimmery green shade and going to apply it with my finger on the middle of my eyelid. And I have applied all the matte shades, but I am keeping this one shimmery shade as I wanted it to look more beautiful and attractive, so that's why this eye makeup is kind of a soft but glam. Now I have taken the darker green shade again and just blending it with the shimmery shade, and I am also blending it towards the inner corners. For highlighting, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold and going to highlight my brow bone and inner corners of my eyes. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Now I am taking this Wet n Wild White Kajal and going to apply it in my lower waterline. Now I am taking this flat eyeshadow brush and picking this dark green shade and going to apply it in my lower lash line and just keeping it to the middle. In the same way I am going to apply it on the other eye. Now to soften it, I am using this yellow shade and going to blend it with the green shade. And I wanted to keep the eye look different, so that's why today I have tried it out to keep the eyeshadow in the half of my lower lash line. Now I am taking this black shade on the same brush and going to apply it on my upper lash line. Today in the place of liner, I am just applying this black shade and going to smudge it nicely. This is going to make my eye look more soft and simple. So guys, now you can see how my eye look is looking so beautiful and all the shades are blended so nicely. Now I am going to highlight my face and I am using the same Maybelline highlighter and just going to highlight my cheekbone and nose, cupid bow, chin, and some I am going to apply it on my forehead. Now I am going to curl my lashes before applying mascara. Now using all-time favorite Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and going to coat my eyelashes pretty well, as today I am not going to wear fake eyelashes. And guys, just wait, let me apply mascara and then you can see the result and see how beautiful this mascara is. So yeah, I have applied the mascara and you can see that there is no need of wearing fake eyelashes. Today for my lips, I am going to apply this Swiss Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick and shade is mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now guys, I have one trick for you. If your lipstick is matte, you can apply the lip balm above it and it will make your lipstick look glossy. To fix everything in place, I am using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer and going to spray it all over my face and neck. Guys, before spraying it, shake the bottle well. Now I am just going to use the beauty sponge to dab it all over my face and especially on the highlighter so that it looks more natural. So yeah guys, this is the finished look and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and comment down below and tell me how much you like this look. And just adding more green to my look, I am going to wear my earrings. So yeah, this is the completed look and I love the way it has turned out. And guys, if you are watching my video for the very first time, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. And also you can follow me on Instagram, the link is in description below, and please share the video with your friends and family. And guys, I post every Thursdays and Sundays, and you can also comment below and tell me which makeup tutorial you want to see next, and I will love to create that. And guys, you can see how beautiful it is looking. So this is an analogous eye makeup like yellow, yellow green and dark green. To see my other videos, you can tap the I button above. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please like this video, it will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye guys.